Hey friends, if the shift key is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to physically clean the key and the keyboard, because if dust is stuck then it may not work. The second is to disable the sticky keys option. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on keyboard and make sure to turn off the sticky key switch. The next solution is to update the keyboard driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboards, right click on each driver and select update driver. Update driver. The next solution is to test the keyboard on a different system. Why? Because if you have an external keyboard, you can connect it to a different system and isolate whether the case is with the keyboard itself or your computer. The next is to check the connections. Now, how would you check the connections? If you have a USB cable, try connecting it to a different USB slot. And as for Bluetooth connections, right click on the start button and select settings. Then go to Bluetooth and devices. Go to devices and then it will show the receiver here. If the receiver shows a green light, it means that the keyboard or mouse is connected. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now this has been phased out, so I will put a cross on this for now. But still, let us see if we can do it. No, let us ignore this one. The last one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services are unchecked, then click on click on disable, then on apply, then on OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.